Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 1 English class. Children, in the last class, we have learned the turtle's poem and you have completed your activity exercise and also the exercise in the workbook also. And now, we are going to learn the grammar portion in the poem Turtles, which is in the next to the poem Turtles. We are going to learn now. Look at this image, children. What is this? Yes, it is a turtle. And then we have learned in our poem, that is the first poem Turtles. First, there is only one baby turtle is there, and that baby turtles one by one find a friend, and finally there were 5 of them. So first there is only one turtle, and finally what happened? There are 5 turtles. So look at the word. First there is only one baby turtle, and finally there were 5 baby turtles. So look at the word turtle and turtles. First of all, there is only one baby turtle. So it is only named as turtle. Whereas in the final, there are 5 turtles are there. So what is the word here? Turtles. Look at the difference. The first image it is turtle, because there is only one turtle is there. Whereas in the next picture, see there are 3 turtles are there. So how you have to say turtles? You should not say as turtle. If it is only one thing, you should say as turtle. If it is many turtles are there, you should not say as turtle. Instead of, you have to say as turtles. Add the letter S. Turtles. What is the spelling for turtle? T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle is there. And turtles means T-U-R-T-L-E-S. Turtles. This we have learnt in our poem itself. So look at the title, children. One and many. What is it? One and many. There is only one turtle in the first image. So it is mentioned as one. Whereas here, in the next side, how many turtles are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 turtles are there. So it is only one or more than one? Yes, it is more than one. So it is mentioned as many. Many turtles. So look at the title. One and then many. So now we are going to see a brief explanation about one and many and the book back exercise also. Now look at the title, children. One and many. Look at the spelling. O-N-A, one, and many. M-A-N-Y, many. So one and many. Today we are going to learn about one and many. So look at this picture. There is this side, only one boat is there. How many boat is there? Only one boat is there in the purple color. See, there is only one boat is there. So look at the spelling for boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Only one is there. So here it is mentioned as boat. Look at this side. How many boats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at there. There are how many boats? 4 boats are there. So you have to say as boats. Look at the spelling between boat and boats. If it is only one, you can mention as boat. Only one boat is there. Whereas this side, there are more than one. If it is more than one means, we have to add the letter S to make it in plural form. Boats. So if it is only one thing, you have only one boat is here. So you should mention as boat. Whereas more than one is known as many. So it is boats. Look at the spelling. Boat is there. Here boats. When it is plural, that is more than one. Here we have add the letter as boats. So yes. So here we have add the letter as yes, and it becomes boats. Boat, boats. Look at this picture, children. What is here? Dog. Can you say the spelling for dog? Yes. D-O-G as dog. Look at this side. What is the spelling for dogs? How many dogs are there? Count it. 1, 2 and 3. 3 dogs are there. So you should not say as dog when it is more than one. So here it is 3 dogs are there. Then how you should say dogs, D-O-G-S, dogs. So look at the spelling, children. If it is only one thing, that is only one dog is here, whereas this side more than one. So you should not simply say both the side as dog. If it is only one, you can say as dog. More than one dog, you have to say as dogs. When it is changed into plural form, you have to add the letter S. Dog, dogs. Look at this picture, children. What is this? Yes, you all know that this is the hat. So, how many hat is there? Can you say? Yes, there is only one hat is there. So, one is used for one thing. Can you remember the title, children, which we are learning now? Yes, it is one and many. So, more than one we can say as many. Now, you have to learn that is what do you mean by one. Where we are using the word as one. One is used for one thing. When there is only one thing, then we can identify it as one. So here in the image, there is only one hat is there. So you can say this as one. One is used for only one thing. Here, how many hats are there? Count it, children. 1, 2 and then 3. 3 hats are there. So it is more than one. If there is only one, we can say as one. Then here count it. How many hats are there? That is more than one. If it is more than one, we can name it as many. M-A-N-Y. Many. So here there are 3 hats are there. So we can name it as many. Many hats. Many is used for the thing more than one. So here we can say this as hats. H-A-T-S. Hats. Many is used for more than one. Look at this example, children. What is this? This is a rat. And then by this side, rats. If it is only one, we can say as rat. Look at this side. How many rats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rats are there. If it is more than one, we should say this as rats. Look at the spelling, children. R-A-T is only one rat. Whereas this side R-A-T-S is rats. More than one. It is many. So one and many. Rat means for the many you should write as rats. Rat, rats. Look at this. Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. Only one umbrella is one side. What is it? One. Whereas look at this side. How many umbrellas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 umbrellas is there. What is more than one? How you should pronounce? Umbrellas. So look at the difference. Umbrella. Only one is umbrella. Whereas more than one is umbrellas. Now look at this. Only one rabbit is standing this side. Whereas how many rabbits are standing this side? 1, 2, 3. So only one is known as a rabbit. One rabbit. Whereas more than one rabbit. So here it should say as rabbits because it is many. More than one. Rabbit, rabbits. Look at this, children. The first term, to make it as a singular, that is a one to many, we have to say in the plural form. So table, T-A-B-L-E is given as table. How we should make into many? How you should say? Tables. Chair, chairs. River, rivers. Star, stars. Here, look at this. What is the letter we have add to make into the plural form? That is to make into many. Here we have add the letter as yes. What is it? Yes, the letter yes is added here to make into plural form. That is to make into many. Now look at the next example. Bus. What is the plural form? That is many. Buses. Church. Churches. So listen here. Here bus is bus. That is only one bus is here. Whereas look at here es. Buses. Here it is add the letter as es to make into plural form. That is to make into many. Look at the next example. Church is only one thing. Whereas churches, it is in the many. Here we have added the letter es to make into many church. So churches, es is added. Listen carefully, children. Here, so many example has given. For this examples, to convert into many, we have add the letter S for few words and ES for few words. So now let's learn where to apply S to make into plural form and where to add ES to make into the plural form, or you can say as many. Look at this carefully, children. Before entering into our course book, let's learn this thoroughly. Listen, the title is one and many. So one means the thing which is only one is known as one, whereas many means more than one is known as many. Look at the first example, apple. Apple is only one in number, so it is mentioned in the one column. Whereas how we will convert into many, that is more than one apple, means we have to add the letter S to make into many. So the answer is apples, A-P-P-L-E, yes. Here we have add the letter as S to make into many. Now look at the next one, cat, C-A-T, cat is there. Only one cat is there. Whereas this side, look at this, for the many, that is more than one cat. How you should say? Cats. So look at the spelling, C-A-T-S. Can you find the difference between one and many? That is in the word as cat. Cat is only one thing, whereas cats is more than one. So it is many. Here we have add the letter as S to make into many. This third example, it is mentioned as bench. There is only one as bench, whereas many, more than one bench, you have to say as benches. Kiss, kisses, wish, wishes is there. How for this, there is a bench, B-E-N-C-H is bench. How you will convert into many? Benches, by adding the letter E-S. Again, listen carefully, children. By adding the letter E-S. So for the noun means it is a naming word. For the naming word, for something, that is for the first two example, we have add the letter just yes to make into, that is to convert into many. Whereas here, that is we have add the letters E and S, E-S to make into many. How you can write like this? That is for some noun, how you can add the letter as yes to convert into many. For some nouns, we have to add the letter ES to convert into many. So look at this, children. Note, I have given here note. Noun ends with. Noun means it is the naming word. Name of a person, place, animal and thing. And that noun ends with. That noun ends with the letter S or SS or O, or you can say as X, SH or CH. There we can add ES at the back of the noun to convert as many. Again listen, children. If the noun or if the word end with yes, SS, O, or X or SH or CH, there we have to add the letters ES to convert into many. Whereas for the remaining letters, we can add just the letter S to convert into many. Look at this cat. It end with which letter? T. To convert into many, we can just add the letter as S to convert into many. Now look at this word bench, B-E-N-C-H. It end with CH. Now look at the rule. If the noun end with the letter CH, what is the letter you have to add? ES. So the answer is ES, benches. Now look at the next, kiss, K-I-S-S. It ends with the letter as S-S. If the noun end with S-S means, what you will change? You have to add the letter as E-S. The next listen, wish, W-I-S-H, wish is there. How you can convert us? It can convert into ES by adding the letter ES. Children, now let's enter into our course book, that is our English course book, page number 7. We shall practice this one and many. Look around you, children. You will find many things in your classroom. That is, you should recall your KG classroom, children. There may be only one blackboard, but there are many desks. There may be one door, but there are many windows. Can you remember, children? That is your KG class. Yes, there you can find only one door, but there are more than one windows. So it is a difference between one and many. One door, but many windows. So look at the spelling door. D-O-O-R. Door is only one thing, whereas windows is many. W-I-N-D-O-W is window. Only one thing. If you add the letter E-S, we can convert into many. So many windows. Did you notice that when talking about more than one thing, we use the letter S after its name? Let us see some examples from the lesson. Do you remember this, children? That is to convert into many. What is the letter we have to use? Either we have to use S or you have to use ES. According to the end of the naming word, we have to add the letter either S or ES. Now look at this first example. Turtle. How many turtle is there? Only one turtle is there. So look at the spelling. T-U-R-T-L-E is turtle. Whereas this side, how many is there? There are 5 turtles. So here we have add the letter S to convert into S. That is to convert into many. Here we have add the letter as S. Turtles. Only one is turtle, whereas more than one is turtles. Now look at this side. Friend. There is only one girl is there. So friend. Whereas more than one, we can say as friends by adding the letter as yes. So this is the difference, children, to convert one to many. Many means that is more than one, we can say. So it is a more than one, we can add the letter either yes or es to convert into many. Here these words, that is a turtle, it end with E. So we have add the letter yes to convert into many. Whereas the word friend, it ends with the letter D. Here we have add the letter S to convert into many. In the same way, there are a few things for which you have to use ES after their names. Let us see some example where we have to add the letter ES. So look at this, children. If it is end with S, bus, it is only one bus, you have to add the letter ES. We have learned the rules, no, children? So if the noun end with S or SS or O or X, we have to add the letter ES to convert into plural. So bus, B-U-S, bus is only one thing. And how we will convert into many? By adding the letter ES. So now read it. B-U-S-E-S is buses. Bus, buses. Now look at this box. Only one box is there. Then this side, how many boxes are there? 4. That is more than 1. Then how you will write the answer? Boxes. What is the spelling for boxes? B-O-X-E-X. So the noun box, it ends with the letter X. For the end with the X, we have to add the letter ES to convert into many. So this is the rule, children. Now let us see a few more examples for names ending with S and ES. The letter end, there is a noun end with a S or SS or O or X or CH or SH. We have to add the letter ES. So this you have to keep in mind, children. So listen carefully. The next, apple, apples. Cow, cows. Then pen, how will you change it? Pens. Rat, rats. Look at this apple. It ends with the letter E. So just you can add the letter S to convert into many. Now look at the next picture. Cow. It is only one thing, whereas cows is the plural form. So cow, the letter, the word cow, C-O-W, cow. W, it ends with a W. So you can add just the letter S to convert into many. The next pen, it ends with a N. You can add the letter S to convert into many. Look at the next one, a rat, rats. So a rat, it ends with a T. So you can just add the letter S to convert into many. Now look at this Next line children. Brush. It is only one. It is mentioned as brush. Whereas more than one. How you should say brushes. So look at the spelling. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. It ends with the letter S-H. If the noun, that is a naming word, end with S-H, then what is the letter you have to add? E-S. Very good. E-S we have to add. Then the word is brushes. Next, mango. It end with, look at the spelling, M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So what is the letter? It ends with the letter O. Then how will you convert? By adding the letter E-S. Mango, mangoes. Glass, glasses. Look at the letter for glass, G-L-A-S-S. What is the ending letter? S-S is there. The letter ends with S-S. You have to add E-S. So you have to add E-S. The next, fox, foxes. Fox, foxes is there. F-O-X is fox. It ends with the letter X. So you have to add the letter E-S to convert into many. Children, now take your workbook. That is page number 7. We are learning one and many. The book back exercise. Now let's practice the workbook exercise, page number 7. Add, look at the title children, add yes or ears to the following words. There are so many nouns, there is a words are given in the boxes. You have to add either the letter yes or ears to convert into many. So before that, we have to recall the rule children. If the word end with, look at the top I have written, noun ends with, that is a naming word, ends with the letter S or SS or O or X or SH or CH. If the noun, that is a naming word, which ends with these letters, either S or SS, likewise, if it ends with these letters, we have to add the letter E and S, ES to convert as many. If the word ends without these letters, other than these letters, you can add just yes, the letter yes to convert into many. So this rule you have to keep in your mind children. So in your workbook itself, you can take down this. In your workbook, at the top, you should write like this children. Then it will be recalled for you. So listen, noun ends with yes or SS or O or X or SH or CH. We have to add the letter ES to convert as many. So this rule you have to write at the top. Now let's practice this children. The first, what is this here? B. Then what is the answer for this? Bees. Look at the word E. It ends with the E. Then how you will convert? We'll convert into, yeah, that is a bees. You have to add the letter as bees. The next one, wish. How you will write wish us, wish us. So it ends with the letter SH. So look at the rule children. If it is end with SH, you have to add the letter ES to convert into many. Look at the next one, car. How will you write? In the plural form, there is a many cars. Ant means ants. Bulb, bulbs. Book, books. So here, if it end with S or SS or OH, you have to add the letter ES to convert it to many. So look at the next line, ship. If it end with that is the letter P. How will you add us? You have to add just the letter S. Ships. Horse, horses. Shirt, shirts. Pen, pens. Sun, it ends with the letter N. So you have to add just the letter S. Suns. Now look at this children. Class. What is the ending letter? C-L-A-S-S. Class. Yes, yes. It ends with the letter S-S. Now look at the rule children. If it is end with the S-S, how you have to convert into many? By adding the letter E-S. By adding the letter ES. So here we have to add the letter ES. Class, classes. If we add the letter ES, automatically it will convert into many. Should go through the rule carefully children. Beach. It ends with CH. Then what you have to add? ES. So beach, beaches. Soap, soaps. Tub, tubs. Tap, taps. Plate, plates. It ends with just E. We can add the letter S to convert into many. Cap, caps. Now look at this. Kiss, K-I-S-S. Kiss is there. What is the ending letter? S-S. If ends with either S or S-H or S-S, what is the letter you have to add? E and S. So you have to add E-S. So the word is kiss us. Look at the next. Egg means eggs. Doll, dolls. Nail, nails. Shoe, shoes. House, houses. So here only one thing is there. That is, if the noun end with SS or SH or CH, you have to add ES. In the line only one thing is there. There is only for only one word we have add the letter ES to convert into many. Whereas for the remaining all the words we have add just the letter S to convert into many. Now look at the next line, children. Fan. What is the plural form? That is for many. Fans. Rose, roses. Crow, crows. Tiger, tigers. Table, tables. Now look at this, children. Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. It ends with the letter CH. Look at the rule at the top. If it is the noun ends with SH or CH, you have to add the letter ES. So what is the answer? Benches. B-E-N-C-H-E-S. Benches. Now look at this, children. Tulip. It is a tulip. A flower is there. Tulip. It ends with the letter P. You can just add the letter S to convert into many. Tulip means tulips. Bush. Look at the ending letter SH. It ends with the letter SH. So what the letter you have to add? Yes, very good. You have to add ES. So it will become bushes. Next, cup. Cups. Tomato. Tomatoes. Leg. Legs. Next, duck. Ducks. So if it ends with S, SS, O, X, SH and then CH, you have to add the letter ES to convert into many. Here we can find as a bushes, and then for tomatoes we have add the letter ES to convert into many. For the remaining words we can add the letter just S to convert into many. Children, after completing your workbook, that is a take your activity book, page number 7, the one and many exercise we can do in this. So look at the title. Observe the number of objects in each picture and name them accordingly. So look at this, children. The first image is kite. So it is only one. So it is mentioned as kite. Look at the second one. What is it? It is more than one. So it is named as clouds. What is it? It is a cloud. It is more than one. So we can name this as clouds. Next, what is this? This is hat. How many hat is there? Only one or more than one? Yes, it is only one. So you have to write simply as hat. H-A-T, hat. You should not add the letter S. So only one hat is there. Now look at the next image. There is mugs. How many mugs is there? Count it, children. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. There are 4 mugs are there. That is more than one is known as many. So here there are many mugs. What is the spelling for mug? M-U-G-S, mug. When there are more than one, we have to add the letter S or ES to convert into many. So here the word mug, M-U-G, mug, it ends with the letter G. So here we can add the letter S to convert into many. So the answer is mugs. Now read this line, children. Kite, clouds, hat and then mugs. According to the number of objects in each picture, you have to name it accordingly. Now look at the next image, children. What is this? Yes, it is star. How many stars are there? Count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So 6 stars are there. What is a star? What is the spelling for star? S-T-A-R, star. If it is only one, we can name it as star. If it is more than one, what you have to do? You have to add the letter S or ES to convert into many. So the word that is a star ends with the letter R. So you have to add the letter S to convert into many. Look at the next one, torches. That is more than one torch is there. So you have to write as torches. The spelling for torch is T-O-R-C-H, torch. If you add the letter ES, it can be converted into many. That is more than one torch. So listen here, more than one torches here. So listen, if it ends with SH, CH or SH, you have to add the letter ES to convert into many. So the answer is torches. Now look at the next one. As if only one flag is there. So you should not write as flags. So only one thing means flag. Look at the next image. What is it? Yes, it is church. What is the spelling for church? C-H-U-R-C-H is church. Then how you will convert into many? Look at the ending letter of this word church. It ends with the letter CH. So if it ends with the letter CH, what are the letters you have to add to convert into many? Yes, you have to add the letter ES. ES to convert into many. So what is the answer? Churches. C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S. Churches. So up to this I have practiced, children. So for the remaining two boxes you have to answer by yourself. Look at this, children. These two lines are homeworks for you. So you have to write the answer by yourself. So before writing the answer, go through the rules. What is mentioned in your workbook. So take down the rules which is mentioned in your workbook. That is a noun ends with S or SH or O or X or SH or CH. You have to add the letter ES to convert into many. So according the rule, you have to write the answer for this. Okay, children. So this is a activity book, page number 7. For the two lines, I have given you the answer. For the remaining, these boxes, that is the 8 boxes are remaining. You have to fill the answers, go through the image, that is go through the picture which is given. Identify whether the picture is only one or it is many. Many means more than one. So according to that, you have to write your answer here. If it is more than one, that is many, you have to add either the letter S or ES. If it is only one, need not to add the letter S or ES. So children, go through the rules which you have written in your workbook. So go through that rules thoroughly and then you can fill the answer for this activity book, page number 7. After completing this, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.